Here we have a task in Russian language, and let's do the training. They are asking for is this a pet product, so let's start the training. These are the instructions. Here is the first one. So here this is the product, and the first one is this is a color product, so yes, it is a color product. Then the product name is mentioned, yes, and the unit of length in this product is inches, and the unit of gram in this is OZ, so it will be OZ and submit. I think it is in IBS, so select IBS and submit. The second one is loading. Here the product is Zodiac, and it is a color product, and the name of the product is mentioned on the product, and then the unit of this is in inches, and the unit of weight is in OZ, and submit. Next one is loading, and it is Sizu. For this, again, it is a color product, and then the name is mentioned on the product. The unit of length and the unit of mass are not mentioned, so select no and submit. And next one is loading. So here the next product is Risto, and again it is a color product. The name is mentioned, and the unit of length is not specified, and the unit of mass is in IBS, LBS pounds, and submit. So here is a little we got wrong. It is in OZ ounce, and submit. The next one is loading. Here it is not a color product, and so we'll select no, and there is no capsule or please, so we'll select also no and submit. The next one is loading. So here is the next product, which name is please take and color. So yes, it is a color product, and then the main name is not mentioned, and the length is in inches, and the mass of the product is not specified, so select no and submit. Now the next one is Adams. So it is not a color product, so select no. The name is mentioned, yes. Sorry, it is a capsule or plea, so yes, it is a plea. And the last one is what they are asking, so let's translate this one. The product is in original packing, so yes, it is in original packing, and submit. The next one is this one. So it is a color product, yes, and it is the name is mentioned, so yes. The unit of the length is centimeter, and the unit of mass in this product is gram, so select gram and submit. Let's check what is wrong with this. So they are not in original packing, so here you have to select no and then submit. Next one is loading. So here is the plea control. So this is not a color product, it is a capsule, yes. And the last one, yes, it is in the original packing, so no, it is not in original packing, so select no and submit. Next one is loading. Now it is Seristo, and the product name, it is a color product, so yes. Then it is original name is mentioned, so yes. The unit is length of unit is not specified, and the mass is in IBS, so select IBS and submit. So our score is 70 and we got excess per 0.03.